Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Google Cloud Billing Account ID. All right. So first up, go ahead over to console.cloud.google.com. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, you have your project number and the project ID. All right. So where do we find our billing ID? It's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to the three horizontal lines. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead over to billing. Click on billing. Now in here, just go ahead over to manage billing accounts. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have active billing accounts right here. We have the billing name here and the billing account ID. All right. If you want to copy it, just click and hold. Now drag it, right click and hit on copy and paste it wherever you want. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you want a project ID, just go ahead over to my projects right here. And here you have your project IDs. Okay. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.